Hello from Gatlinburg. So I was here yesterday, but I couldn't say anything. We're here at former Landshark. Yes, formerly noted Landshark. But pretty soon, Blue Moose, baby. Blue Moose is incredibly popular in Pigeon Forge. Very popular in Pigeon Forge. And I think it's gonna do great. I think it's gonna do absolutely amazing here. Well, that's it. Honestly, they've been talking about doing something like this for a year now. For a year. So as I walk away from, I think Blue Moose is going to do amazing, amazing. It is part of the, obviously, the Margaritaville / Landshark Corporation. It's going to do well, going to do well. If you guys remember, that location used to be the old Hard Rock Cafe. Then it was a Denny's for about 3 minutes. And then Landshark was there, so I love it. Good job. Love it. So right there at the back of, let's go back here, let me show you. So this is Margaritaville, obviously, if it's your first time on here. This is the back of where Landshark was. They didn't waste any time taking all the logos off. Cause I went in there last night to say hi, and the place was totally Landshark, everything, all the logos, and 12 hours later, it's almost completely stripped bare. Now, if you guys have never been to Gatlinburg, this is on the Parkway, and it is right next to Blake Shelton's restaurant. And again, here at Margaritaville. So that's it. Hopefully you heard it here first. Normally I'm the last to know of everything going on in town, so hopefully, if you're watching this, I'm the first one to be able to give you this information. Hopefully, so. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. It's been snowing. It's crazy. We're ready for the warm weather. Have a great day, guys. If this is your first time on here, hi. If you could, please give me a follow. I'm also on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Have a good day, guys.